Let's say you charge $500 for a website design, but pay a freelancer $200 to complete it. That's $300 profit for simply managing the project. If you convince them to work at an even lower cost, your profit margin will grow even larger. Have you ever wanted to start a business but felt overwhelmed by the costs, skills, or time it takes? What if I told you there's a way to earn money by simply connecting people? Welcome to the world of drop servicing, a business model where you can make profits without doing the work yourself. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around and I'll break it all down for you step by step. In this video, I share a crucial tip on how you can maximize your profits. If you're serious about making significant gains, make sure to watch the entire video without skipping a second. Hi, and welcome back to Finance, your go-to channel for all things money, from smart investments to side hustles that actually work. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss an opportunity to grow your income. Now, let's dive into today's topic, drop servicing. What is drop servicing? Drop servicing, also called service arbitrage, is a business model where you sell a service to a client, but instead of doing the work yourself, you outsource it to someone else for a lower price. You're essentially the middleman, connecting clients with service providers and pocketing the difference as your profit. Think of it like this. Imagine you're running a marketing agency, and a client hires you to design a logo for $500. Instead of designing the logo yourself, you hire a talented freelancer to do it for $200. The freelancer delivers the work, you pass it on to your client, and you keep the $300 profit. That's drop servicing in a nutshell. How does it work? Choose a service to offer. The first step is deciding which service you want to offer. Popular drop servicing niches include transitions, graphic design, logos, banners, social media posts, content writing, blog posts, articles, copywriting, video editing, website design, SEO services. Pick something that's in demand and easy to outsource. Find reliable freelancers. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are great places to find skilled professionals who can deliver high-quality work at competitive prices. Look for freelancers with good reviews, a solid portfolio, and reasonable rates. Set up your business. You don't need an office or a big team to start drop servicing. All you need is 1. A website or landing page to showcase your services. 2. A way to communicate with clients, email, Zoom, etc. 3. Payment options like PayPal or Stripe. Tools like Canva and Wix can help you create a professional-looking website without spending much money. Market your services. Use social media, Google Ads, or cold outreach to find clients. Post your services on platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook groups, or even your own Instagram account. Remember, your goal is to convince clients that you're the best option for their needs. Deliver and profit. Once you land a client, hire your freelancer to do the job. Review the work to ensure it meets the client's expectations, then deliver it. The price difference between what the client pays you and what you pay the freelancer is your profit. Why drop servicing is a great business model. On low startup, cost you don't need to buy inventory, rent office space, or hire full-time staff. All you need is a small budget for marketing and hiring freelancers. 2. No special skills required. You're not the one providing the service, so you don't need to be an expert in design, writing, or coding. Your job is to manage the process. Scalable business. As you grow, you can take on more clients, expand into new niches, or even build a team to help you manage the workload. Potential challenges. Here are some challenges you might face. 1. Quality control. If the freelancer's work doesn't meet your client's expectations, it could harm your reputation. Always review the work thoroughly before delivering it. 2. Finding clients. Landing your first few clients can be tough, especially if you're new to the industry. Focus on building trust and delivering great results to build a strong portfolio. 3. Tight profit margins. If your pricing isn't right, you might end up with very small profits. Make sure there's enough margin between what the client pays you and what you pay the freelancer. Word tips for success. 1. Start small. Begin with one service and a few clients. As you gain experience, you can expand into other areas. 2. Communicate clearly. Clearly make sure both your clients and freelancers know exactly what's expected. Miscommunication can lead to delays and unhappy customers. 3. Build long-term relationships. If you find a reliable freelancer or a loyal client, maintain those relationships. Consistency will make your business much easier to run. 4. Invest in marketing. Even a small budget for Facebook ads or Google ads can help you reach more clients. You can also leverage free methods like content marketing or posting on social media. 5. Use tools to stay organized. Platforms like Trello, Asana, or Slack can help you manage projects, communicate with freelancers, and keep track of deadlines. Let's look at a simple example. You offer social media management services for $1,000 per month. If you find a freelancer who's willing to do the same work for $400 per month, you pocket the $600 difference every single month. Now, imagine scaling this to 5 or 10 clients. That's $3,000 to $6,000 in profit per month for managing a team of freelancers. Here are the special tips. You can hire freelancers from third world countries like Bangladesh, Pakistan, and India. They can do your work at a low cost, allowing you to earn a big profit margin. Drop servicing is a fantastic way to start your own business with minimal risk and investment. By connecting clients with talented freelancers, you can create a profitable business without needing to be an expert in the services you offer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's looking for new income opportunities. And don't forget to subscribe to Finance for more tips on building your wealth. Until next time, keep hustling and stay financially savvy.